Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or we'll be discussing with you, Rewave TV Antenna review. So if you're looking to cut the cord and drop your monthly cable bill here, now you've probably heard about the Rewave Digital Indoor HDTV Antenna. Now let's see what it actually is, what details you can find on their website. So what is the Rewave TV Antenna? Now, the Rewave TV antenna is a compact, portable digital indoor television antenna designed to capture free over-the-air or OTA broadcast signals directly from local TV stations. Instead of relying on satellite or physical cable line, you simply plug this antenna directly into your TV set. This allows you to pick up local, high-definition channels like news, weather, sports, and network television completely free of monthly subscription fees. Now, what does the antenna actually offer here? Now, according to the official product details and specifications here, the Rewave antenna packs several key features into its small frame. Now, first is high definition broadcast. Now, it is built to support crystal clear HD signal outputs, including 720p, 1080p, and ATSC formats, so you can watch your local broadcast in full high definition. Now they also have strong signal reception, so the hardware is equipped with a internal signal amplifier booster designed to pull in weaker signals. So it features copper interface and low standing wave ratio, so around 1.5 dB for steady, stable connectivity. They also have flexible placement design, so the antenna is built with suction cup base, so making it easy to mount on flat surfaces like a window, pane, or a wall near your entertainment center. Now, they also have a broad signal range, so depending on your specific upgrade model package you choose, the manufacturer notes that strong distance reception range reaching up to like several hundred miles from local broadcast towers. And also they have a universal connection, so it operates via standard 5-volt USB interface for power and includes a standard coaxial cable connector with an F-type adapter to hook directly to any modern or older television set. Now, how do you use the Rewave antenna here? Now, the setup process is designed to be plug and play and takes only a few minutes. Now, to use the antenna, you start by screwing the coaxial cable directly into the antenna in or cable in port on the back of your television. Now, if you're using an amplified model, plug in the attached USB cable into your TV's USB port or standard wall adapter for power. And next, just mount the antenna using its suction cups. For the absolute best signal here, the instructions recommended placing it in a high as possible place, so perfectly sticking it directly to a window glass facing the direction of your local broadcast towers. So once mounted, turn on your TV, go into your settings menu using your remote, and switch to the input source to antenna or air, and run an auto scan or auto program to let your TV detect and save all available local channels. Now, what about the pricing and packages here? Now, if you look at the official pricing channels here, the Rewave antenna is priced as an affordable one-time purchase. Now, a single Rewave here or Rewave antenna kit typically costs around $39.95 or basically $40 if you're going to buy one. But if you're going to buy multiple products, obviously you're going to get a discount. This is according to your website, around $34.95. So for two Wave Max here, but you could basically like get a more discount if you're going to buy more, obviously. Now, depending on where you're buying it, the price also may fluctuate, so it depends on where you're buying it. But that's about it. If you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.